Okay, let us quickly solve this Olympiad problem. They said 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. Okay, solution. Now they gave us 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. Now look at this. Somebody will quickly do this divided by this will give you 1, and this divided by this will give you 1. Then you now say 1 divided by 1 is 1, which is not correct. Okay, so let us take it gradually from here to here. 5 divided by 5 is 1, divided by 5 divided by 5. Okay, now 1 divided by 5 will give you 1 over 5. Okay, now divided by 5, 5 is simply saying 5 over 1. So this is equal to 1 over 5 times 1 over 5. Okay, if you change divide to times, this will turn around. So this is going to be 1 times 1 is 1, all over 5 times 5 is 5 squared. According to indices, if you want to remove 1 over, then the power should be negative. So my answer is simply 5 raised power minus 2. And that is what? Option D. Very correct. So subscribe. Bye-bye.